Have you heard of the town just a hiccup away, where the moon is bright pink?
And the elephants play? Sweet strawberry jam, and the mayor is a very polite little clam?
It's a secret, you see, but I'll tell you the way if you promise to pack up your giggles today. Grab a hat made of feathers,
A shoe made of cheese, and wait for the tickle of peppermint breeze. Here we go! With a wibble, a wobble, a flippity flop, we're riding a jellyfish over the top. With a bing and a bang and a boppity boo. First, we hop on a turtle who's wearing a tie, who moves very fast. He zooms over mountains of marshmallow snow to the valley of where do the puddles all go? In the valley.
In the valley, we meet a tall kangaroo who is painting the grass a bright bubblegum blue.
She hands us a paintbrush and says with a wink, "The world is much better with polka dot pink." With a wibble, a wobble, a flippity flop, we're riding a jellyfish over the top. With a bing and a bang and a boppity boo, there's a seat on the Whimsyville Express for you.
Now into a forest of lollipop trees, where the leaves are all humming a tune for the bees. But the bees don't make honey, they make lemonade.
Look out for the monkeys! They're juggling pies. They toss one to you. Then it lands as a crown of whipped cream in your hair. And what is that sound? It's a rhythmic ka-thump. It's the Whimsyville frogs getting ready to jump. They jump over clouds and they jump over stars while playing the banjo.
With a wibble, a wobble, a flippity flop, we're riding a jellyfish over the top. With a bing and a bang and a boppity boo.
Where everything's delightfully upside down. The houses hang softly and the sidewalks are painted right onto the sky.
Then hundreds of butterflies, purple and green, create the most beautiful fluttering screen.
You can eat all the broccoli made out of cake and swim in the fizzy vanilla milkshake. You can talk to the dogs who are reading the news while wearing their sparkly red dancing shoes.
The day is so long,
But the sun's time to conclude our spectacular trip.
they pull up a blanket to cover the moon.
The polite little clam, who is mayor of the land, comes over and gently shakes everyone's hand. So close up your eyes, let the peppermint breeze.
Back over the valley, back over the snow, to the safest and coziest bedroom you know. And when you awake with the sun shining bright, but look in your hair, just as soft as is a tiny sweet cream. With a wibble, a wobble, a flippity flop, has come to a stop. Good night from the magic of Boppity Boo.